So here's an easy tutorial on how to make water in Blender. First of all, you need to open up your Blender application on your PC. And then, once you open it, open your project. And as you can see, I already have an object in my project, so I will delete it. Now, click on the Add option on the top and hover over on Mesh, then select UV Sphere. And now, the sphere has been added to our project. After that, name the sphere to water on the top right on Collection. So, once it's done, now we need to shape the sphere into a water droplet. So, in order to do that, I will show you the exact steps. First of all, click on Object Mode on the top left, and then select Edit Mode. So as you can see, we're now in the Edit mode. Now select the Move option on the left and click on the top part of the sphere. Then drag it up to form a droplet shape. From the top panel, click on this dot and then select this drop-down menu. After that, select Sharp from the options. Now drag the sphere again and this will turn it into a droplet shape. So adjust it until you're satisfied. So once it's done and you're satisfied with the result, check it out once again and make sure that it's perfect. After that, click on the Edit Mode option on the top left and select Object Mode. And then select Object from the top panel. Then select Shade Smooth. And as you can see, the droplet has become smooth. So drag it and move it around to check it out. So once it's done and you're satisfied, the next step that you need to take is click on the modifiers on the right panel. After that, click on Add Modifier and then select Subdivision Surface. From here, adjust the viewport to 2 and then set Render to 2 as well. You can also try different numbers if you want. So once it's done, the next thing that you need to do is click on the Material option, which you will find on the top right corner right here. So after doing that, you will notice that there are not much changes on your project. So now click on the drop-down menu on the top right. So once you're here, you will get to see multiple options. So adjust the world opacity according to your preference. You can turn it all the way up, or you can set it somewhere in the middle. Then go over to blur and adjust it according to your preference as well. Right now, I have set it to 0.09. So as you can see, our water droplet shape is ready, and the background looks good. Now, click on the Material option on the right panel and click on New. After that, you will need to adjust the options on the right side. So for the roughness, I will set it to 0. And as you can see, the droplet is now really smooth. Then, go over to IOR and adjust the number according to your preference. For this video, I will select 1.33. After that, on the bottom, select Transmission. From here, you need to click on Weight. And after that, turn it all the way up. And as you can see, the water droplet is now clear. You can move it around and check it out from different sides. Also, you can drag it and adjust its size according to your preference. So that is exactly how you can make water in Blender. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.